Hello diamond painters, I've received a package today from Amazon. If you saw my previous video, I had relayed that I was going to try to do video all in one, but I was waiting for my order. Finally came in. It was Prime, but I said I'll take it at a later time so I get a digital coupon. Saves money here and there, and I didn't need this right away. But it's from Amazon, the Yujo store. I don't know. It's 6 pieces of diamond painting sun catchers. I paid $24.99 before tax. Right now, it is $20.99 for some strange reason. After I bought it, then they lower the price. Whatever. Isn't that always the way? So it's 2 hearts, 2 butterflies, and 2 hummingbirds. I haven't even opened it yet. I just got it outside from my mail, from my doorsteps. All right. I'll try to do this best that I can. I'm kind of filming this on a little teeny phone stand. So I was too lazy to grab my tripod, so just let you guys know why it's probably looking weird. So let's see here. This is garbage, and I'm probably gonna throw this Ziploc bag out too, but we'll see. All right, let's see if I can get this to look good here. Okay. So it says 6 pieces diamond painting raft, elegant style. Don't know what that means. So let's open it up, see what we have here. It's my first time doing these. I was on the fence with these because I've seen Marjorie Franklin do these. Yeah, I might throw this bag out and keep this one and put them all back in. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to try to open this without being so darn noisy, but that is really hard to do. So I question if I wanted these just because of the work you have to put into it to connect everything. These things here, what are these? Let's see. I think this is what you use to hang. See, this is a lot involved. So that's why I'm like, I was on the fence about getting this because I am not someone that like putting little small pieces together here. So, sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. So I have these little guys. And I think this is to hang the little DPs. If it's not, then it's for the jewels. So let's see what else we have here. Standard toolkit with some bags. And I have all my little, we got a heart. So it seems like they're all the same. You could probably mix and match the beads they give you. See, you get the whole. So I'm pretty sure that is maybe what the chain is really for. But let's keep looking to see what we have here. So this is what I have. These are the drills. I'm going to take a look at those because I see some Ziploc bags in there. So we have this cute hummingbird, nice bright hummingbird. I love that. We have this greenish blue heart. So it's on both sides. My hand from tip to almost my wrist is about 6 inches. So it is fairly, yeah, so it's not 6 inches long. Probably maybe around 3 inches tall. Goes the other hummingbird, bluish color. This is the heart. And then there are the two different butterflies. They're double-sided. Yeah, it's on both sides, so I will have to seal these. And this is the other one. It didn't come with any instructions, of course. So, to be a diamond painter and do certain things, you have to be very creative. Let's take a look at these drills. I will not be putting them back in the package on camera. They're so noisy. And there's something on the plastic. I don't know if it's just residue from them being cut. Let's see. So we have all our different drills. These are all just typical rounds, different colors. You can see different greens, different blues. We got orange. These are regular 310s. Nothing special about those. Purples, pink, aqua. Here goes the bigger rounds. Can you focus? Yes, thank you. Here we go into the different shapes now when you get to the number 15. 15s of 18. 19. Oh, there goes 17. Have to check that over. 20. 21 and 22. So always do the big ones first, because to me they're the easiest to start off with. And it's very encouraged to start a diamond painting. Yeah, so 16 to 18, so it makes sense. You know, it starts on easy, then it makes you want to do all the hard stuff, because I accomplished the small stuff. So it does look like, I don't see anything else. These have to be for, I don't know how I like that. Now that I look at it, I don't know how I like that. I really don't. That bothers me now. I really don't like that. Different lengths. So let me see what I have here. So 2 lengths. I don't know. See, that's just that length. And then this one is longer. This didn't seem to come with any instructions, which is pretty annoying. To know what's for what. So I'm guessing the longer ones. I'm just going to pour this all out. Let's aim you guys down. I might separate all this anyway. It's just smaller Ziploc bags. While I'm at it. Probably won't do it on camera, but don't mind me. So I'm just trying to just figure out how this is gonna go. So I'm guessing this goes around. This maybe, I'll have to look it up. I am not positive. Margie Franklin's more of a pro with all this, because she's done so many. So I might have to watch one of her videos. Sorry, my throat got dry. But I don't know how I feel about having this go through these beautiful clear looking gems. Of course, this will be hanging on the bottom. This will be the last one to hang. This I'm thinking is going to be on top. And then the little small ones in the middle. But let me see what it looks like. I'm going to put one of them through this and see what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to get a light color one. A light color one. That's just, you get the yellow. Now how I feel about putting that through the bead. All right. I don't know. You can't really see it, I guess. But wouldn't that rust in time and make that all nasty in between? I don't know if you put these outside or in your window. I will put these outside. I have shepherd hooks and I love to hang like wind chimes off of them. Maybe this, because I love to see this when I'm outside and I'm diamond painting. But I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how Guess you can't really see it through the gem, so it's not a big deal. But maybe one of my viewers, because I know you guys are probably into a lot more than I am sometimes, can give me some insight. But I'll probably go online, back onto Amazon, into the store I bought this from, and they'll probably give me some little direction, maybe. I'm just surprised it didn't come with like a piece of paper that tells you anything. That's all. I'm confused. Especially if, you know, I think they have a little video though that shows you what you need to do, to be honest. But myself was such in a rush to order this, and I saw, oh, that's so pretty, I want to order it. So, so I just ordered it. But like I said, I think these are very pretty, very nice, very vibrant. So I wouldn't hang these outside. I think I more would hang these in the window if it was me. So I'm guessing you need your own string to hang these, because I am guessing this is too short, right? Guessing this is too short. I'm guessing that's what the little round things are for. Like I said, this might be too short, or I don't know, maybe. How you feel about that hanging down? Maybe it's this, and the longer one is for this. And this might be some type of clasp to go here, but I don't see anything that will go in. Yeah, I'll have to watch a video. I'm pretty sure they do. So I'm done confusing you guys as much as I'm confused for 12 minutes. But yeah, so I'm gonna check out this store, go back to my order on Amazon and see a video and check it out. I thought I would get more than just 2 hearts, 2 butterflies, and a hummingbird. I thought maybe 2 hummingbirds, a heart, butterfly, maybe a flower. I don't know why. I thought it was a different variety of things besides just 2 and 2 and 2. I knew it was 2 hummingbirds, but I thought for some reason it was like a heart and a flower and butterfly and maybe like a sun, something like that. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm slowly losing my mind probably. But yeah, that was about it. I am going to go and try to watch a video, figure this out. Of course, I want to get my other diamond painting done first before I start these. But I'm going to order some more, but a different variety of something else, like see if I can find a sun and some flowers or something, because I think I want to give these out to the ladies I work with in the cafeteria, since spring is coming and we all can't wait for it, to be honest. I thought I would cheer them up a little bit. But yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry that it was a confusing video. I thought I would have more info. I thought they would give us instructions, to be honest, so forgive me. But I hope it doesn't discourage you from ordering it. Right now, it's actually $20.99 on Amazon. So you guys can save $4 while I paid the full price of $25. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed what little info you got. Thank you. Bye. All right, I'm back. I hope you didn't, turn off the video. Sorry that I'm right back. But I went and I looked, and because it was going to bother me all day if I didn't. So the shorter ones, I don't know what you call these, beaded chains. The shorter ones are for the beads. The shorter ones are for the beads. I'm sorry, I got a text message just came up on my screen. And then the longer ones are for the holes on the top of the lovely little things here. Now, I just looked real quick and it made sense how this will go. So, I just didn't want to leave you guys in the dark. I felt like that would be wrong. So, you have this. And you have this little cutie. Okay? This little cute clip thing right here. And I wish you focus. Focus. Now, I'm not ugly thumb. I can't wear nail polish or anything at work, so sorry that it's kind of like ugly, okay? this is supposed to go in this little slot here. And I think when that happens, yeah, so you see that there? So I'm trying to get it to focus. It's focusing too much on my background. On you pretty things back here. So let's move you. Maybe it'll focus on this now. Okay. So you see that? One side has an opening and one side does not. See how it's just solid right there? Well, this side is not solid. So I wouldn't put these outside just in case it gets windy, because it might fall out. So that goes in there like that. Yay. This is just for reference for now. And then this, you will clasp this closed, and you will open this up and put that in there and close it up, and it will dangle from there. And then it shows the drills. And of course, you'll probably do the drills before you're doing everything I'm doing. But it shows the big, giant. I'm so bad at explaining things, don't mind me. So it shows the little ones on top. This one after the little ones. And then this one. So it hang like this with all your other colorful drills. Yeah, the colorful beads going up, clasping to the bottom of your butterfly or your heart or your hummingbird. And then the longer ones, like I said, the longer ones are for the top here, and they give you enough of every one so you can put them on and connect them. So yeah, don't mind me. Gosh, I think I would be better at this, but I'm not. I'm a mom, man. I'm not good at explaining anything. So that's how it will work. I was lost because I didn't know. I was like, they give you two different sizes. It said it has to be for the top because this needs some, you know, length to go from top to top, and then I was like, the other ones look too short. And I wasn't sure, and I'm not sure if you want to do like one color or you want to just like scatter like blue, orange, pink, purple, whatever. I just think they gave you gems. I don't think they really counted out the colorful ones at all. But I wish these were different colors. The heart, I mean the star one, that'd be nice if they're different colors. Or they give you different design like a heart and a star. That's why I thought a sun would come with it. Because a star and a sun, and that would have been cool. But I'm going to go and look for other ones. I'm debating if I should get them from, I think I was looking on Your Best Deals, and Your Best Deal has them for about $5 each. So I was looking $5 each. So buying 5 of them would have been $25. But I got 6 for $25. So I kind of feel like I saved some money getting them through Amazon. Because 6 times 5 would be 30. But I didn't pay 30 for 6. I paid 25. So I'm debating if I should go on Amazon and see if I could find other ones instead. In another 6-pack with different varieties. Like I said, the sun, maybe the moon would be pretty. You know, flowers. They do have one with animals like octopus and stuff. I'm not into octopus and things like that. So dolphins. I'm not an aquatic person. I love seeing those things at the aquarium, but I'm not someone that would have stuff like that in my house as knickknacks and things of that nature. So that's just me. Like, my best friend loves dolphins and have nothing against that. I actually did diamond painting with 2 dolphins, and I sent it to her because it reminded me of her. And every time I see dolphins, I think of my best friend. But yeah, just wanted a quick update on that. So I'm sorry the video was so long, but I just didn't want to leave you guys in the dark. And that would have drove me insane too if I didn't know how to put these together right away. Because I'm a person I need to know. So thank you for watching again. Sorry, hopefully you didn't click off the video. If you did, you're probably not hearing this anyway. So have a good day. Thank you. Enjoy yourself. Bye.